cow-cat movements are a terrific way to get some movement into your spine. Oftentimes you'll see people taking these from hands and knees, but if you don't want to get down on your hands and knees, you can absolutely take the movement in a chair. Step 1, sitting up as tall as you are able, and see that your feet are firmly rooted down. If your feet are not rooted down, put something underneath them, books, yoga blocks, blankets, so that you can feel very steady. We initiate cow-cat movements from the tailbone because that's where the spine originates, in the pelvic area there. So we're going to start, number 1, by tilting the tailbone out and up. We can roll the shoulders back and let the chest open nice and wide. That's step 2. And then number 3, if your neck feels good, go ahead and take your gaze up. There's your cow. For cat, we're going to again start the movement from the pelvis, from the tailbone. We're going to tuck the tailbone under. We're going to round the shoulder blades. You can envision an angry cat. And we're going to take the gaze down. One more time. Stick the tailbone up. Roll the shoulders back. Let the chest expand and look up. Tuck the tailbone under. Round to the upper back and look down. Seated cow-cats.